Good day to all employer. My name is Annelyn Urel, 34 years old, from Philippines. I'm a college graduate, single, blessed one kid boy, 2 years and 9 months. I've been working in Hong Kong for 3 years as domestic helper. I serve 4 people, 2 adults and 2 children, ages 3 years old and 6 years old that time. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and a kind person. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the kids, prepare the meals, sending and picking up them from school bus station, sending and picking up them from educational activities, and play with them also. While the kids are in the school, I tidy up their rooms, do household chores such as cleaning, cooking, marketing, ironing, and washing the clothes. To my future employer, I promise to finish my contract, willing to work for a long term, and I will love your children as my own. Thank you and God bless.